Thank you so much for coming back, my beautiful people. In this video right now, I am going to show you how I made my pre-poo hair treatment. So yes, so if you're still wondering what is pre-poo and is it really necessary, okay, so the pre-poo means, right, it's a step that is completed before washing your hair. Okay, so the pre-poo treatment you apply to your hair, that'll help you to detangle and restore moisture. Yes, and you can use oils or conditioners for this step, and you can always use pre-made hair treatments like DIY. So this is exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to do a DIY, and there are many benefits of pre-poo treatments. So pre-poo, it improves the softness and manageability, decreases the chance of breakage, restores moisture to hair and scalp, improves softness, protects your hair from being stripped while shampooing. So yes, yeah, so it's as simple as that. And this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be using avocado, banana, and aloe vera gel. I'm really using the gel instead of water, and I clean my aloe vera plant. I cut it up, extract the gel from the skin, discard the skin, take the gel, blend it up with just a little warm water, and now I'm going to strain it using a stocking cap. So yes, reason why I'm straining it is because when you blend the aloe vera, and if you don't sift it properly, you will get clumps and lots of white beady stuff remaining in the hair, and that will be so ugly when styling, uncomfortable. When you comb in your hair, they'll be flaking, dropping from your hair, so it's not pretty. So that's exactly what I'm doing right now. And so if you're wondering, is banana good for you? Yes, people. Bananas are great for hair and scalp. Okay, it improves the shine, it prevents and controls dandruff, and it moisturizes scalp. Rich in potassium. Yes, it is rich in potassium. It is rich in potassium, ladies, and it helps to soften your hair and protect your hair elasticity, preventing split ends and breakage. So banana is the powerhouse of vital nutrients and minerals. So go on and get your bananas. Yes, it can do wonders for your overall health. One of the key nutrients present in banana is potassium, which is said to promote hair growth as it helps in controlling dandruff. Okay, so potassium is not only good for hair, it is good for your body as well. Okay, so yes, hence the reason why I'm going to put my banana in this mixture today. So yeah, so yes, my lovelies, and we all know the aloe vera plant, how many benefits it has for our overall health, including hair. So yes, my people, go out and use it, try it. This is what I do for for my natural hair regimen. Okay, so I would recommend pre-pooing, and it should become a regular step in your hair regimen, in anyone's regimen, and it doesn't take long and provides many benefits in the long. So yes, guys, I extract my avocado from the skin, and I placing it in the blender with the banana, and I'm using only one banana, medium size, and I'm gonna use my aloe vera gel juice to blend it instead of using just plain water. Okay, so yes, so I'm blending it now, and yeah, I understand you may not want to add an extra step in your wash day, But however, pre-pooing, it is worth it. Okay, it is worth it. It is more than worth it. Not only will using a pre-poo treatment for natural hair help you retain moisture, but it will also make wash day easier and smoother for you. Yes, so do you pre-poo? If so, what are your favorite products to use? If not, are you willing to give this step a try? Please do, please do, please do. Pre-pooing is a conditioning treatment used on your hair. So exactly, this is, it's so soft, guys. Look at it. Look at the texture. It's soft. It's smooth. Yes, guys. So it's a conditioning treatment used on my hair before I shampoo. This one that I'm doing right now. And yes, this when I pre-poo, it protects my natural hair from the shampooing process, and it don't strip any moisture from my hair, nor the oils. It don't strip any oils. So yes guys, so I'm adding 1 tablespoon of coconut oil to this mixture. And yes, I'm gonna just mix it up, incorporate it into a nice paste, and yes, it's gonna soften my hair and it's gonna be manageable, my hair. And so when pre-pooing is there's a less chance of breakage, and when you get less breakage, your hair is gonna grow and retain length. Okay, so right now my hair is already sectioned, and I'm gonna apply this mixture to my hair. I'm just gonna show you how I apply the mixture to my hair. My hair is already sectioned, so yes, keep watching. So like I said, pre-pooing, it's helpful because before you shampoo, it protects the layer. Okay, it acts as a protective layer, because when you shampoo, the shampoo can strip moisture from your hair and natural oils. So by just applying conditioner after shampooing isn't always enough to restore moisture. It's applying conditioner, it just makes your hair softer. So my hair is already in section, and I'm gonna when I apply this, I normally leave it for like an hour. Yeah, you can leave it in overnight. You can do the greenhouse effect. And yeah, so this is just a normal wash day routine. I normally leave it for at least 1 hour, and after I wash it out, before I washed out this pre-poo before I shampoo. So of course you can leave it in overnight. It is one of the best way to get that pre-poo to work, is to apply it the night before your wash day. So yes, you can go ahead and do it. Yeah, allow your treatment to work while you sleep. Yes guys, yeah. So like myself, I have low porosity hair, and pre-poo before treatment, pre-poo treatment, it's very beneficial for low porosity hair. Okay, it can add softness, slips, and weight, which helps with frizz. Yes, so I have low porosity hair, and trust me, pre-pooing, it do help. So yes guys, so it's getting messy, so I have to change and go to my washroom to finish this process. So the longer you pre-poo, it is better and it works better. So yes ladies, so once you finish pre-pooing, wash and condition your hair as normal. Be sure to rinse your hair thoroughly to avoid product residue. So I'm still applying the product to my hair section by section, and as you can see, it is moisturizing. Look at it, is moisturizing my hair, and look, I am finished doing my entire hair, and look at my hair, they're so juicy and all bouncy. So this is my entire head, guys. And as you can see, look at my hair. And yes, so I'm gonna use a plastic bag and cover my hair. So since I have low porosity hair, my hair low porosity loves heat, so I'm gonna let my hair set for an hour under the bag. And yeah, so, and I'm also gonna use I'm gonna wet a towel, damp it, and I'm gonna put it in the microwave, let it heat for like 2 minutes, not too hot. And this is exactly what I'm gonna do. It's damp, as you can see, and I'm gonna just place it in my clean microwave. My microwave is clean, and I'm gonna let it run for 2 minutes and then take it out, and then I'm gonna place it over my plastic cap. Okay, so this is the towel. It's quite warm, so I'm just gonna do it really fast. Place it over my plastic cap like so, and I'm gonna use my butterfly clips or pins, whatever you want to call it, and I'm gonna just secure my towel over my plastic bag. So yes, so if you have a plastic cap, that's fine. Whatever you have, you can let it, just make it useful, work for it, let it work for you. Yes, so I am finished rinsing my hair, and I left my pre-poo in for an hour, and as you can see, my hair is still wet, it's still damp. So yeah, so I'm gonna use an argan hair serum. So this serum, it is beneficial, it is necessary in my serum. And I'm also gonna use my my oil from Curls, that's the brand. It has vitamin E, vitamin A, B, and it's all good. So the serum, it is healthy, and it's so smooth and silky. It feels so smooth and silky on my hands. It moisturizes my hair, and that yes, so from the humidity and dust, and it leaves my hair looking all luscious and healthy, guys. So yeah, and it's gonna make my hair less knotted. So if you're using hair serum, it is best you use it if you're using it daily, it is best you apply it on damp hair, okay, or towel dry hair. So hair serum, guys, just a little info. It is best to apply hair serum to wet hair, directly to wet hair, okay? So don't use a lot. You can use just a couple drops for your medium length hair. So hair serum, it grows hair as well. So if you desire to grow your hair quickly while still maintaining the quality, guys, the quality, hair growth serum all you need. So yes, I'm using argan hair serum. For low porosity hair, so if you have low porosity hair like myself, this requires more effort to allow moisture into the hair shaft. Therefore, the LCO method is ideal. The liquid in the LCO, it should be should always be watery leave-in conditioner, followed by the cream, which could be a leave-in conditioner to further aid the moisturization process. Okay, so yes, it's the LCO for so this is exactly what I'm doing. So I am sectioning my hair and I'm applying my leave-in cream, my leave-in conditioner, sorry, and my cream and my oils, the hair serum. So okay, so yes guys, this Pre-Poo treatment that I use in this video, I think it is good. It leaves my hair feeling really soft. My coils well, I didn't know I had so many coils in my hair, so it really and truly defined my coils. It helped to define them, and it leaves my hair really soft, smelling extremely good. Yes guys, so yes, okay, so it is necessary you do it. It detangles my hair before shampooing. It adds moisture to your hair. Okay, your hair don't break as much when you pre-poo before shampooing, and it have tons of benefits. Okay, guys, if you want to rejuvenate moisture to your scalp, so yes guys, and all these products that I use, all these fruits that I use, they are rich in protein, amino acid, vitamins. It promotes strong, healthy hair growth, all these nice things. So look at my hair, looking all quench. And this oil guys, it is also good for high porosity hair. It is light. It has jojoba. Also, yes, so it has jojoba. It has so it is blissful length hair growth, natural hair growth blends formula. Yes, so it has grape seed, coconut, it's coconut, jojoba, and it's fortified with essential fatty acids, vitamin A, C, E, and antioxidants. So this oil, it is extremely good for low porosity hair. Okay guys, so the brand is Coils, and I'll leave a link to all the products that I've used in the description down below. So I am massaging my scalp, and this it increases hair thickness by stretching the cells of the hair follicles. So this in turn, it stimulates the hair follicles to produce thicker hair. Okay, so yes, so you can also add that to your hair regimen. You can massage your scalp, and I'm gonna leave my I'm gonna use my silk scarf to cover my head. And always use silk. Make silk your best friend, guys. Please make silk your best friend. So thank you so much for watching. It was a pleasure, and I'll catch you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, love you.